Honey lemon is a soothing and pleasant drink, whether served hot or cold. In the world of health and wellness, it has also been promoted as a healing elixir. The drink is proven to help melt fat, clear up acne, and flush out toxins from the body. Both honey and lemon have many health benefits. Honey. It is commonly used as a natural substitute for processed sugar. It contains virtually no fiber, fat, or protein. It also has some therapeutic uses, such as treating skin wounds and burns. High-quality honey contains many important antioxidants. These include organic acids and phenolic compounds like flavonoids, and it is believed that this combination is what gives honey its antioxidant power. Antioxidants are known to reduce the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and also some types of cancer. They may also promote eye health. The antioxidants can also help reduce blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. Studies have also shown that honey reduces cough symptoms and improves sleep patterns. It is important to note that honey is a delicious, healthier alternative to sugar. Make sure to only choose high-quality honey, pure honey or organic honey, because some lower quality ones may be mixed with sugar syrup. Keep in mind that honey should only be consumed in moderation, as it is still high in calories and sugar. Lemon. Most health benefits of this tangy fruit come from its high levels of vitamin C and other beneficial plant nutrients. It improves skin condition, it promotes hydration. Studies have proven that it promotes weight loss. It aids in digestion. Drinking warm or hot lemon water can help to kickstart your digestive system. It can also help to freshen breath as it stimulates saliva, which prevents dry mouth, which can often lead to bad breath. It is believed that combining these two ingredients together in a drink can help with the long list of common ailments, including digestive issues, acne, and weight gain. Although drinking hot honey lemon is proved more beneficial to health, having an iced honey lemon occasionally is extremely refreshing also. Eliminate your daily intake of sugar via coffee or tea by replacing it with this honey lemon drink, and you will notice an improvement to overall health, reduced fatigue, improved complexion, and help in weight loss if a healthy diet is followed alongside as well. To make honey lemon correctly, you need boiled water, fresh lemons, and organic pure honey. Add a nice thick slice of fresh lemon after removing the seeds to a glass. To this, add 1 to 2 tablespoons, no more, of pure honey, and then top it off with boiled hot water. Now you want to rest this to let the flavor of the lemon to infuse in the water, and afterwards stir and enjoy. It's a very pleasant drink and it's very calming as well. And once in a while, it doesn't hurt to have a nice iced honey lemon. To do so, just repeat the process with the hot water, allow the lemon to infuse into the water for a while, and then pour the hot water into another glass filled with ice. Totally refreshing. So if you drink coffee or tea on a daily basis with added sugar, try replacing with this drink for a couple of months to see the difference in weight loss and overall health. When you get bored of this combination, infuse more flavor by adding a sprig of mint, a dash of cinnamon, a slice of ginger, or a sprinkling of turmeric. Whatever you do, incorporating this drink into your daily weight loss regimen will be beneficial for all. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.